Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. So in this video I will explain how to assign class to teachers. So first of all we need to create a menu here. After I can create here is another menu like assign class teachers, and inside we can create a add new menu like this, and here showing the teacher list, above showing the class list. So whatever class you can choose, and here we can add like 3 teacher you are choosing like this. After click on the submit, so this is the 3 teacher is going to inside for this class. Okay, so is a multiple class wise we can assign multiple teachers here. This is the same ss1 class, so you can also assign this teacher, also assign this teacher. Suppose you can go to part time, so also assign this teacher, also assign all the teacher, whatever do you want to do. So first of all we need to create here like a assign class, like a assign class teachers. Why do you need? Because teacher need to know he is a panel, okay, what is the my classes. This reason we need to admin can assign some classes to teacher, so teacher know about classes, and after classes wise he know about the subject, because we all done here assign subject. So this is the class, what is the total subject there, so teacher know okay I need to study for this subject for these students. Okay, so let's start now. We need to create a here new menu about the assign class teachers. So just go to resources, inside go to views, inside go to layout, headers, and let's make some zoom out and go down, and let's go to here assign subjects, just copy and put here, and I already write before this menu name assign class teachers. So just you can do here class teachers. Assign class teachers. Okay, so we have created new routes. Let's back again and refresh the page. So you can see it here, new menu assign class teacher. I click on the menu, so route not found because we have not created new route. So just go to back again, routes, inside go to web, inside go to admins, and just copy for this route because we can use the same controller, because we don't want to create a new controller for this one. So let's create first one. I think new controller is a good idea. We don't want to go same controller because we need to explain carefully, so anybody can new student developing this module, so he know. Okay, so we can create a new controller assign class teachers controller. So open your terminal and create a controller, because I already opened my projects inside exams. So php artisan make controllers. I already copy this name, just I put enter. So just wait few seconds. Assign class teacher controllers. So the controller successfully created. Okay, so let's go back again and check here. Go to app http controller, inside you can see assign class teacher controllers. Okay, I go off and I can declare here okay I declare here. Now we can create a assign class teacher controller inside list function. So let's go back again, and because we have already created here new routes, admin assign class teachers, inside we have create a list function. Just go to back again, and here you can create list. Otherwise you need to go class subject controller, inside just copy and put here. Okay, so okay, just remove this line, we don't need, and here you can change your title assign class teachers. So let's start. Okay, everything is good, no issue, and here you can change folder name admin inside assign class teachers. Go to admins, means go to resources, inside go to admins, and you need to create a new folder assign class teachers. Inside you need to create a list blade.php. Okay, file is created. Just go to assign subject, inside go to list, and just copy the files and paste here, and just remove the get record because we have not created this function. So let's go back again and refresh the page. Let's remove some filter because we don't have created filter, so I just remove the filters now. Okay, I go back again and refresh the page because we have already done is like controllers. Also we have done like assign class subject like a dynamic headers. So let's change here. This is the name, assign subject list, to change to assign class teachers. Here also we can change new routes like assign class teachers slash add. So this is the also we can change here, add new assign class teachers, and here we can change assign class teacher list. Okay, let's refresh the page. So you can see it here like assign class teachers. Here is the class name. After we need to change here teacher name, and status, created by, created dates, and actions. Okay, I think now is good. So I will click on the add new assign class teachers. So here we have created new routes like add assign class teachers slash add, but we have not created for these routes. So just go to web blade.php, inside copy these routes, and here you can write like adds, and also you can add here adds. Okay, so next you need to create a new route, new function here like a add. So just go to again back for this controller, class subject controller, and just copy this line. Okay, I think you understand. And here you can make like class model because we need a class models. So just copy the class model here and put here. We don't need a subject model, just remove it. And here you can change the title, add assign class teacher. Now here you can change your folder name, means admin side we have created a new file now, add.blade.php. Okay, I think it's now good. Just need to go again like add teachers and copy and put here, and after you need to change like what do you need to change, just title. I go back again and add new assign subjects to change assign class teachers. Okay, here showing the class list. Here we need to make like a teacher name, not subject name. So teacher name, and this is the line you can find out for teacher. Right now I commented. Okay, so I go back again, I refresh the page. So let's see. Taking times. Okay, one undefined variable get teacher because it's a commented code, he is counting. Let's remove this commented codes. Okay, I commented code is removed after I refresh the page. So also showing the get subject undefined. Where is the get subject? Oh, I have not saved this file, this rules. Let me save these files, go back again and refresh the page. So you can see it here. Class name also you can find out. Now we need to show here teacher name. So just go to back and again and just make a control Z. So it's a get subjects. So we just need to change here get teachers, and here we need to write new function because class model inside I have already write before function, so I can show you. You can see it here. Class model select star with I have made a join query about the who is created and is not deleted. He is also active and order by ascending name wise and return the data. Same thing we need to write about the get teacher functions like get teachers, but this is the get teacher we can do inside users table. So just we need to create a new here users app models inside users. So you need to go user models, and here we have already get admin, get parents, get students. So we already did like get teacher. So just copy and put here get teachers class, create a new function get teacher class. Okay, just put to change your name, and you can remove all the validation. We don't need any validation, and also we don't need a pagination because here is a pagination not possible. Okay, so here is a delete like user tab equal to 2 is not deleted, and we will make order by id is equal to DSC order. Okay, now everything is good. So here we are getting the data. So this data we need to show inside add blade.php. So just change here subject to teachers. Here you can make like a teacher's ID, here you can make teacher's name, and here you can change to subject ID to teacher ID. Okay, let's back again and refresh the page so we can check. So you can see it here like we are showing the teacher's name, like a teachers. You can see it like multiple teacher I can check. Suppose I go to teachers menu, so you can see it here. Like here you can see it. You see. Let's add here also is a name of the teachers, means last name. So just copy and put here, and also you can put here last name. Okay, let's go to back again, refresh the page. So you can see someone is the last name there, so we have put here. Okay, now everything is good. Okay, we are showing the class name, also we are showing the multiple teachers. So this is the class we can assign like a multiple teachers. Also is a make status is a active, inactive, and you click on the submit, so you can submit the data. Okay, I think it is now good. Just go to back again, and we need to create the database submitting. So action is equal to null. So just same thing, just you can copy and paste. Just change here. Here you can create another function insert. Why we did? Because we have made an action is equal to null here. So it's the same URL we can use in a post method. This is when we have made an action is equal to null, and we have already created the same route for the post, and I have created a new function insert. So go to controller back again and just make here functions insert request $request and did here. Let's check what information I received here. Okay, I save and I go back again, and I will refresh the page, and I can choose part-time, I can choose these two teachers, and I also choose the active, and I click on the submit button. So you can see it here class ID, and also you can see it is like a array about the teacher ID. Why is the array showing? Because here we have make a like a array icon. You can see it like it's like multiple ID we need to show. This reason we have made an array, and whatever value inside their information we are getting here. Okay, so this is the information we need to save inside database. So what we need to do, first we need to create for this table like a assign class teacher. So let's create a new table, and after we need to store this data inside new table. After we can make the join query, and join query wise we make a listing, and next we can make a edit, and after we can make a deletes. Okay, so let's create a new one table. I think we can copy same class subject, so it's also possible. Just go to class subjects, let's make a new one. Suppose anybody can new student, so you need to see how we can do it. So let's go to create a new one. Just go to assign class teachers, just copy the name and put here. Okay, we can create the ID for the auto increment is a primary key. Also we can make here what is the class ID, so just put here class ID. Also your teacher ID, so put here teacher's ID, and status there, so status made here. Now we can do another two is a created by and created at. Also you can make updated at. So just choose here date and time. Here you can choose null. Here also date and time. Okay, created by also nulls. Status also test defined equal to 0 because we can use the tiny. Tiny int, where is the tiny int? Okay, here there. Okay, this is the also we can use like a null because it's the integer value. Let's save the where is the one? Go down and click on the save. Okay, table successfully created. Let's go to class subjects, so we can see anything is missing. So we can say okay, I have not made like a is deleted. So let's also make is delete column. Suppose you need to delete, so you can delete. So we can make here is a 1 by default. Not deleted means is equal to 0. Okay, so tiny and here is as defined is equal to 0. Oh, I not okay, thank you. Okay, 0. So you can check we have created tables. So we need to just create a one model. So assign class teachers modeler. So PHP artisan make model assign class teachers model. I press the enter. So is model successfully created. So just go back again and go to inside models. So you can see it assign class teachers model. Okay, just go to any models and copy this table name here and put here and change it to this table name. Okay, now we have already done about the model and database table connection here. So we can use this model name inside a assign class teacher controller. So let's say here and put here, and I can create a new function. So let's go to inside a subject, not a class, subject controller, and just copy all things because we have already done. So just copy and I will explain. Okay, so just copy and put here. So first of all we have made a subject ID. So what is the ID we have there? Teacher's ID. So change to subject ID to teacher's ID. And here you can change teacher's ID, teacher's ID, teacher's ID, and here you can teacher's ID. And you also need to change like a class, like a model name. So we have changed here model name, model name. Here you can put also teacher's ID. Okay, I think it's good. And also you can change like a routes, like a subject successfully assigned to class. So here you can change assign class teacher successfully, assign class to teacher successfully. I think it's now good. So also we need to create a class teachers inside. We need to create a new menu. Means a get already first, means that this is the already added class, so we just need to update the status. Okay, so just go back again, and here you can create a new function. Otherwise you need to go inside class subject model. So do you want to follow this series? So we already did here. Just copy and put here, and here you can change class ID to class ID. You can change here teacher's ID. So teacher's ID. Okay, so teacher ID you can see it here. So this is the function I have done here. So I can explain now what I did. Okay, I think everything done. First of all I will check teacher's ID, means this is the teacher ID, is not null. So I will check here. Okay, teacher ID is there. Okay, this is the teacher ID also working as a loop, because you can see it like an array. So this is the teacher ID, here is weird loop. Inside teacher ID I will create a new variable. So inside variable you can find out 21, 20. So first of all we are checking, okay, assign class teacher model inside already there is this class ID, again this teacher is there. So we have created here new function here like a get already first. So class ID inside class ID, teacher ID inside teacher ID. So we are checking, okay, we have find the data. Okay, one row I have find. So once row I have find, so I have did like a status. Whatever status there we have update here, because we have choose here status like active and inactive. Suppose the active status, so it's going to here, otherwise inactive, so it's going to here. So we know, okay, this is the active for this class for this teachers. And suppose this is all the false condition, so going to here and create a new assign class teacher is a model name, and here is a class ID, teacher's ID, teachers, and created by who is a created. Suppose who is a login, so we need to show his name. Okay, and after we are redirecting, and after we did like here, due to some errors, please try again. Suppose he can't choose the teachers. Okay, I think now it's clear. Just go back again, and I can show you these forms. So this form inside we have made like here class list. After we have made here teacher list, and here you can see it's like a active and active. So let's create this is the I choose the part time. I will add 3 teachers for this part time class. Also I will status is active. I click on the submit. So is there some syntax error? Let's see what's the errors. Okay, what's the error? I think I have made a mistake. One mistake I made. Let's go back again, because I have protected this. We need to write it like this: protected tables. Okay. Let's go back again. Press Ctrl F5. So is a resend all the data again. So we can check any error there. Here showing the teacher ID. So let's change here teacher's ID subject to teacher's ID. Okay. Let's make again resends. So here showing the another error. auth because we have not declared auth here inside controller. So here you can type like use auth because this is the authentication we have used created by. Okay, let's go back again, press Ctrl F5. We are sending the recent data. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I think we have not saved it. Okay, I have not saved this file, these reasons. I'll go back again. Okay, now is finally is good. Data inside, data added successfully. You can see it like assign class teachers. You can see assign class to teacher successfully. Let's go back again, tables, and here you can see it like you see like class ID 3 inside is like teacher's ID. You can see it here. Let's make go to again, so we can I can show you everything proper way. Click on the add and I can choose here SS1 and I add only 2 teachers. I click with the submit because already active selected. Successfully assigned, so I refresh the page, so you can see it here 1 and teacher ID like 20 and 19. So this is the teacher 20 is there is class ID 3 and 1, so you can see it here. Same like 19 also there. Okay, so now we need to make here the one query and need to show the class name and also we need to show here teacher name and what is the status, what is the created by and action. Okay, so let's start now. I go back again and assign class teachers. Inside I will create a new function, so just go back up and first of all you need to go to like here class subject teachers, just copy and put here. Here you can change this name to assign class teachers. Inside you need to create a new function get wrapper. Here is already there get wrapper function. Like I can go to models like here and I copy and I go to here and I put here and I remove the validation because right now we don't want to make a validation. Okay, here we have the class name dot star and created by class name. Okay, so I made I think class objects inside get wrapper. Oh, I made another copy. Just remove and I can put this is the copy part inside a class subject controller because I see is the error. Okay, I remove the validation and here I can change class subject to assign. Okay, just change here. Okay, now we don't need a subject thing anything, so just here change to users as a teachers. So teachers.id here you can make like subject to teachers id. Okay, here you can change teachers.name as a teacher name and also you can see the users.name as a created by name because we have made a here query. So first query is working like teachers query because we are using 2 times user table. This reason I have created alias user as a teachers and also we have made a condition as a class.id is equal to assign subject class id inside class id. So this is the id we have made a join query. So you can see it here. I think everything is good now. It also is deleted and id is equal to descending orders, so it's good. So just go to back again and go to list.blade.php. Here just go to back again and just copy this is the all thing and put inside listing. So here you can put, we have already passed get report, so you can see it here. I can show you get reports. So here we have already passed id class name, so here just change to subject to teacher name. Okay, here created by name and created heads and here already did the created name and also we can do here pagination. So just go to any files and go down and just copy this pagination and put here and let's close this one, we don't need anymore and just you can change. So get record inside we here gets and here this data we have passed inside view file and view file inside you can see it list. Let's go to back again, refresh the page so you can see it here listing get not get. So error generates, so we can sort out. Okay, oh this is good news, no any errors, everything working very well. Here showing the part times, here showing the date. So let's remove this button, we don't need now button because we need to create a new video for this button because this video is going to big. So I just remove the buttons, and just I can show you how to make a add a new assign class to teachers. Now also you can see it here pagination. Let's make the here. I go to backlinks. I control just we don't want to change anything. Let's make here like 2. Okay. I go back again. I refresh the page. So you can see it here pagination working very well because we have made here 2 records. Okay. So I think it's good. So we have created in this video assign class teacher. So assign class teacher inside we have create a new menu, add new assign class teacher. Add new assign class teacher inside we have did the class list here, and also we have made a teacher list. But teacher you can select multiple. Suppose whatever teacher you can select like multiple, I can choose all, and I also make like active. I click on the submit. So this is the class is inside. You can find out all the teachers inside list. Let's remove the pagination here because we need to make a 100 pagination, and I go back again. I refresh the page. So you can see it here. This is the class against we have found all the teachers, and here is the status active and created by who is created by this name we are showing, and action added and delete is remaining, but we can do is next video. And also we had made here like a filter in next video, so everything we can sort out in next video. I hope do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to say like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.